Summer's not over yet, and there's still time to join us at iKids Camp. Our campers enjoy a full day of engaging activities, from outdoor play and games to creative crafts and hands-on learning. It's a great way for kids to stay active, make friends, and try something new every day. Join us for Holiday Hop, June 23rd through 27th. We're celebrating every holiday in one fun-filled week of crafts and activities. June 30th through July 3rd, campers brainstorm, build, and test ideas in our Inventors workshop. From July 7th through 11th, we're throwing it back with fashion, music, and fun games with Decade Discoveries. July 14th through 18th, our campers enjoy Cirque du Summer with creative activities and learn about getting carried away with the circus. Then, from July 21st through 25th, kids become explorers, solving puzzles and uncovering clues during history's mysteries. And finally, July 28th through August 1st, we wrap up summer with My Purr-fect Pet, a week all about furry, feathered, and fun friends. iKids Camp runs Monday through Friday, 9 to 4, located at Westbury Christian School. Registration is still open. Grab your spot for iKids Summer Camp today.